This recipe is a perfect dinner idea. It's super easy to make and tastes delicious. Grate a medium potato with the help of a grater. This is how our potato needs to look like. Then, transfer the potato in a bowl. You guys, this recipe tastes delicious. Try it at home and come back here to let me know your thoughts. Now, add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir well. Then add a pinch of salt. And finally, a hint of black pepper. Stir again. If you are still watching this video, you are loving our recipe. Then share this video with your friends and write a comment below saying, "I love easy recipes." Grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. I use the side with the smallest shredding holes, but you can use any side you want. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and leave it to melt. Add the mix in there and spread it evenly. Cover it with the lid and leave it to cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Then flip it and cook the other side. Using a silicone spatula, do a small cut like this in the mid, paying attention not to break our potato. Add now all the cheese we have previously grated. I'm adding 100 grams, but if you'd like to, you can add some more to taste. Close the potato mix around the cheese and let the cheese melt inside for some minutes. And our super quick and delicious dinner is ready. Our recipe tastes delicious, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.